Okay. Okay, moving on, we will go to the primes. Okay, yesterday we already studied about the prime factorizations. Prime, okay, prime factorization. By the way, what is prime factorizations? A little reviews. Prime
Prime factorization.
factorizations
It's like compound number thingy majig.
is one number is any number, but we break it into a factor of primes.
Yes.
Yes.
Kind of
So
like comp.
yeah,
It's like combo. What's it called?
it's already
Uh,
in the title. Prime
com-
factorization. So we factorize any number to be the factor of a prime number, right? But can we do the prime number? Can they give the prime number to be factorized? For example, 7. It's equal to 7.
no.
Can
Wait.
we can. So if it's 7, if we want to make a prime factorization, it's just 7. How about 14? How do we factorize?
Yeah.
Yes, and what are they? How can
1, 7, 2, 1, 2, 7, 14.
1, 2, 7, and 14 is the factor
The the the
is the
the the
factor of
multiple.
14, but it's not the prime factorizations.
It's just listing the multiples.
Yeah, this is the listing of the multiple, which is called the factor. These 1, 2, 7, and 14 is the factor of the 14, but it's not the prime factorization of the 14s.
Because we count prime factorization the prime numbers,
Yeah,
right?
the factor of the prime numbers. So how can we write the prime factorization of 14? Not this one, not this one. How do we write prime factorization of 14?
Of 14, but we can't do it because 14 is a prime
No.
number, right?
14 is, yeah, we have a lot
7
of
times 2
2
is this.
times 7.
Oh, I said 7 times 2.
Yeah, 7 times 2 or 2 times 7, correct. So, and this already prime, so we can do the
You done.
prime factorization by 2 times 7. How about,
Oh, it's not a prime number, it's composite.
yeah, it's composite. How about 48? Can we
Mm,
write prime factorizations?
12, 1, 2, oh,
Oh, 1,
12
2
times,
is the
12 times
factor
4,
of them. But to
12
write
times
prime
4.
factorization is like this, not this.
Is it 12 times 4?
12
Wait,
times 4, yes. But
but
12 and 4
oh,
is not a prime number yet, so they have to break down. We need to break them down.
so we turn 12 into 6 times 2 and then 4 into 2 times 2.
6 times 2, yes. 4 is 2 times 2, so 2 and 2 is, this is prime already, this is prime already. But 6, is it primes?
3 times 3 times 2 times 2.
Yes, 3 times 2. Now we come to the prime. So how can we write 48 into the prime factorization?
Um, 3 times 3 2
3 times 2 times 2
0
times 2,
2
14, right?
2. Yeah, and then yeah.
And as we already study exponents, We don't need to
Is
write
it three? Is it two to? Is it three to the power?
of power of
Or is it two to the power of three, four? Wait,
4. Now, how many time 2 of 2 themselves?
four?
4 times. So it's 2 to the power of 4.
Yeah.
Have you forgotten the exponents?
No.
Okay, so if it's multiplied to themselves, how many times? For example, n time, it will be to the power of n. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. 5 times, it will be
35. No, sorry. My bad. Seven
write
times seven
as
equals
exponent.
40.
No, just write it
You
as
want me to,
exponent, not results.
oh, 7 to the power of 5.
To the power
I
of
thought you were
5,
telling
yeah.
me to the answer, you know?
Okay, no, not the answer, just that. All right, so this is prime factorization, but not this one, not this one, okay, not this one. This is the factor of 14. Yes, that is the factor of
Yeah.
14, which we have 1, 2, 7, and 14. But to write as a prime factorization, we need to break it into the factor, and all the factor must be the prime number, like this. It's all a prime number, prime number. Then this is called prime factorization. Okay, so continues. We are going to common factor. Common factor. Common. Common factor. Oh, okay. So now we have the common factor. You just did the common factor. For example, common factor of 16. How do we find the common factor of 16? This. Actually, you find this.
The
Here,
multiple.
common factor. Yeah, the multiple. Actually, that is the multiple. Now, say
1, 2.
determines, let's say, more easier. Determine common factor. So, 16, we have ones. What else?
1, 2, 4,
4,
8,
8,
16.
16. Yes, that's all. How about 20? How about 20? What do we have?
1,
Ones,
2,
2,
3. 5. Wait. Yeah, 5.
how about 4?
No, 4. It's 4, 4, 4.
Yeah,
Then
4,
5,
5.
and then 20.
How about 10s?
I forgot about 10.
Yeah, and 20s. So, yeah, if we do with the multiplication, sometimes you miss some number, right? You may miss some number.
Yeah.
For example, 10 and 4, you have forgotten. So here is the thing that you may do it and without any forgotten of anything. For example, again, the 20s. 20 is, we can
10
break,
times 2.
first of all, 1 time 20.
Oh.
So 120, you can put it in 120. Second pair will be
10, 2.
2 and 10, yes. So 2 and 10, you can put it here, 2 and 10. Third
Third
pair,
pair, 4
third
and
pair,
5.
4 and 5. 4 and 5. And that's all. Right? That's all. And so you will never miss any number here.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you do this, it's faster and maybe you don't miss any pair, miss any number. But if you miss one pair, then you miss two number.
Oh.
Yeah. For example, if you miss one pair 4 and 5, then you miss this two number. All right, but continues. Uh, Another example, if we have, let's say, 72, 72. What do we have? We can break it.
Um,
In order to not missing any pair or any number, we can break it down.
8, 7, no, 8, 9,
No, you should start with the smallest
1.
number. Yeah, 1 and 72,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so we can write 172 here. Okay,
Um,
so
8, oh,
go from smaller and smaller. One after one is
1 after 1,
after one is
2.
two. Yeah. Does 72 divide can be divisible by two?
Yeah.
Yeah, because even number. So when divided by two, we have
Uh, 36.
36. Yes. So this is another pair, 2 and 36. So we write here 2 and 36.
36.
Yes. Third pair.
Is it 8 and 9 now? No.
Yeah, like we go if we go like too big and then we come back, then you may miss some pair. After two, let's check with. After two, we check with
Oh, oh, oh. Is it 3?
three. Yes. Why it's three? First, we need the first checks. How do we check it is divisible by three? Like you put
Divided.
no.
Oh,
If the
check.
number, yeah, if that number divisible by three, what do we notice? Divisibility rules.
The visibility rule.
Yeah, we study earlier.
It adds up to.
Yeah, it adds ups of those digits.
It adds up to 3, 6, and 9.
Yeah, 3 second 9. Now 7 plus 2 is
9.
9. So it's divisible by 3. It must be divisible by 3. So yeah, we know that it's already divisible by 3. So 3, when it's divided by 3, we get the answer of.
You get the answer 24. Is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
24. Yes, 24. So divide by. So we put the answer 3 and 24 here. Okay, what is the next pair? Now we find three pair, which is six multiplication already. And what is the next pair? Does it divisible by four?
Is it 8 and 9 now?
No, not yet.
No. No.
Yes.
Mm,
Does it divisible by like we don't jump to the big number. We go like from increasing step by step. Like when you climb the mountain, we go like one step. We cannot jump like this, and then next step this and this, and then you may like spreading your legs too hard, and yeah, so go step by steps. So after three, what is
Is it six, is it 12? Is it 6 and 12?
yet after three? Wait, what is after three?
4.
Four. Yes, that's this divisible by four.
I just checked. I don't think so, but
72 divide. Okay, let's do like
wait.
nice now like four. How many times four? How many times
Wait.
four?
No, it is. My bad. Wait.
Yeah, so one, this is seven. Oh, this is four, so this is three, two, so eight, right? Eight
Yeah.
times four, 32. Zero. Okay. So this is Oh, this is divisible by 4. Okay. Oops. Okay. Okay. So it's divisible by 4. So next pair is 4 and 18. Okay. So we write down 4.
It's definitely not divisible by 5. So is it
It,
6 and
yeah, it's
12?
not divisible by 5 because it's not end with 0 or 5. Easy checks. How about 6?
It's 12 and 6.
Okay, 6 and 12 is another pair. So, okay, we can put 6.
And now it's 8 and 9.
Yes. And 7 not. So, 8 and
9.
9. So, you see, now it's going like meeting at one point, like 8 and 9. So, this is an 8 and 9.
Yeah.
If we write, it will be like 172. This one pair 172, 2 and 36,
2 and
3,
36.
yeah, 3 and 24, right? The pair.
Yeah. And
3
then
and
it's 4 and
24
then 8,
and
18.
18, yes.
And then
6,
it's 6 and 12.
12, after
And
that,
then it's 8 and 9.
8 and 9, yes. Now we cannot go on. If we go on, 9 will be 8, right? The pair. 8 and 9, 9,
Yeah.
8. This with this, this with this, this with this, this with this,
It's going to be
with this with this again, right? So then we don't miss any pair or any number. So these all add the common factor of
I
the
love how on the right slowly starts getting like less and less and less.
lesser,
It goes from 72, like less of like a value, you know?
less of the volume.
Like 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 what I'm talking about is like 72 and then 36 and then 24, 18,
Yeah,
12,
12,
9.
8, 6, 4. Yes. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Okay, 72 D. Now let's have one more is 106, 126. What add the common factor? Now, can you do
Is it 1 to 2?
one? Okay, first of all, 1 and
126.
26. Okay, you can write 1 and 126 here because they will meet at this center point. 1 and 126, correct. Next,
2, 6 and 2 and 63.
63, yes. 2 and 63. Okay, 2 and 63. Third pair,
Uh, it's 3 and then it's
3, yes. Indivisible by 3 because
and it's 4 D2.
42, yes, 42. Good, very fast. 30, wait, 42 here. Okay, 42.
And
Next
then it's not divisible by 4, is it?
is not divisible by 4, yes, because how do we
And it's
check?
not
How do
divisible
we check?
by 5.
Do you still remember? How do we check that number is divisible by 4? We study indivisibility rules.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's why divisibility rule is
The last
helpful.
digit is divisible by 4.
Yeah,
The whole
the
number is divisible.
last two digits, 26. Does 26 divisible by 4? No.
No,
Right, so, okay, not divisible by 4. 5, is it divisible by 5?
no, because it doesn't end with a 0 or a 5.
Yeah, it's also end with 0 or 5, so not.
And
Does,
with 6, oh,
does it divisible by 6?
yeah.
Yeah,
It's 6 and 21.
21. 6 and 21. So, okay, 6 and 21. Next pair, 6 and 21s.
Wait, is it actually divisible by 7?
After 6, how about 7? How do we check 7?
It's 18. 7 and 18.
Yeah, it's 7 and 18. 7 and 18, yeah. So 7s and 18s. What's next?
Hold on. 6 and 20. Is it actually divisible by 8?
Still, we still have. How do we check divisibility of 9?
Of 9.
Of 9? 9, 9 is similar to 3.
The last 3 numbers? Is it?
It's similar to 3.
Okay.
Divisibility rule of 9 is similar to 3. So 9 and 3 is similar. How do we check? How do we check this number divisible by 9 or not?
Yo.
The sum of all digit number,
All the digits?
yeah, the sum of all digit number 1 to 6, the sum of all digit number when we add together is equal to 9, right? So now it's equal to 9.
1 plus 2, 3.
Yeah, 1 plus 2 plus 6, it's 9. So now it's equal to 9, so divisible by 9.
9.
So yes, it's divisible by 9, but what is the result? 126 divided by 9. Yeah,
And
1,
then 9, 1, 9. And then it's 3 and then 36.
which is
14. 9,
14. Yes.
13, 26.
So the other pair is for 9 and 14. 9 and 14. Do we have
And
other
is
pair?
there? No, because if it's 10, then it would be like
10 no, 11
12.
no, 12 no, 13 no. So now it's come to 14, right?
Why'd you put 13?
No, we don't have
Hmm.
13s. We don't have
Oh,
13. Yeah, so that is all. So now we come to the repeating. So it will be the 14, then it's go back. So all of these are the common factors.
yeah.
These are the common factors.
Alright, perfect.
Yes. Okay, greatest common factor. I think. All right. So I think we're running out of times, but we'll.
Why is it like 1 hour? Like, 1 hour used to be so long for me, but now it's so short.
So now you try. Maybe you love math more.
No, I hate math.
Yeah, but now you are like you like math more. Oh. All right. So it's let's
Time
stop it
to
here. Yeah,
go.
let's stop it here. Next. Oh. Next week we will start the greatest common factors, least common multiples, and
Oh, there's no tutoring tomorrow?
least common multiple. It's called least common multiple.
And what's it called? Greatest common factor.
Yeah, greatest common factors.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'll see you
Yeah.
next week, not tomorrow.
Yeah. See you next week.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.